Hi guys, so today I'm gonna teach you on how you can add pictures or image to a specific item on your menu. Alright, so just log into your Mucho Taste account and click manage. And on the left side corner, you can see this spoon and fork here. Just click that. And if you click that, it will direct you to this page where you can see all the menus that you have made for the website or for your restaurant's website. And let's click or let's choose an item here. For example, this kids Happy Meal. Let's choose a picture or an image that we can save for that specific item. All right. So let's go back so that I can walk you through. So for this specific item, Kids Happy Meal, you can go here to this image with a pencil. So that allows you to edit the item. So just click that and it will direct you to this page and you can see this image and tags. Just click that and it will show an option that you can upload an image. So you can choose a local file if the picture is already saved on your computer, but you can also do um, a manual of copying and pasting the link a of a picture. But for this one for now, I will just choose any image here that has been saved to my computer. Just for example, let's choose this one. Okay, all right. So you can add it, and there you go. The image that we chose shows here that it's been uploaded. So we need to click save. So the image will be saved and be added to this specific item, the kids Happy Meal. So for us to be able to know that the picture or the image has been added, we can view the store here. Okay. All right, just wait for a second, and there you go. All right, so let's check. It's under the breakfast category. There you go. So the kids Happy Meal now has a picture on it. And if you would like to remove that picture for that specific item, you can always go back here. Just click this pencil so that you can edit it and go back to image and tags and just click this remove and you can save it and go back to the page to see if the image has been removed. Just refresh it. All right, and let's go to breakfast category. There you go. The kids Happy Meal now doesn't have a picture on it. So yeah, that's basically it on how you can add and remove a pictures to a specific item for your menu. Thank you so much for watching.